Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing our first fermentation for our water kefir or water kefir. Alright, so since we have a big vessel, we're going to be using about 4 liters of good water, pH 9.5. We have some organic raw cane sugar, some sucanut cane sugar, and last but not least, some kefir grains.
How can you forget that?
Yeah, alright, so for a ratio for you guys to try is perhaps
1 tablespoon of kefir grains to 1 tablespoon of sugar and 250 milliliters of water. So first what I'm going to do is put 10 tablespoons of this raw organic cane sugar. And 10. Okay, so what we have next is the sucanut cane sugar. We're just going to use 1 tablespoon of this.
Smells so lovely though.
Yeah.
Right. You're a wizard, Ari.
I'm a what?
A wizard.
Abracadabra! Okay, so stir it with the sugar. Once the sugar is dissolved, you will have to put in the kefir grains.
Yes, let me take over now.
You have to be very delicate.
I know.
Move it closer. So,
yeah, thanks. Easier to not spill anything. Nearly done.
So now what you want to do is use this cloth. Use a cloth and cover it. And then use a rubber band to tie it. Oh. And last but not least, say good things to it like,
thank you for your probiotics. It really means a lot to me. It keeps my body healthy. Please ferment well so you can create and turn into beautiful kefir. Thank you very much.
Please catch part 2 of the kefir process. We'll see you in 50 hours.
Yeah, baby. Pumping.
Yo guys, welcome back to another video
of the Plant-Based Bros. Now this video is all about
water kefir or water kefir. When it comes to fermenting, hygiene is the most important thing. Sanitize all your vessels. You do not want any contamination.
Alright,
let's get
ready. This has been fermenting for 50 hours. And now we're doing the second fermentation with fresh fruits for the effervescent effect. So we're going to be using some
apple,
longan, our favorite.
We're going to be adventurous and we're going to try with cinnamon, star anise, and clove. Be creative, be adventurous. It's up to you.
Have fun with flavors. Step 1. We're going to sift out all the water kefir grains. Alright. Okay. Alright, now step 2, we're going to pour it into the bottle.
Okay.
Careful.
How about you do?
Now we have bottled up kefir
Using recycling bottles. So make sure its lid is screwed on tightly
for the fermenting effect. Now we're going to add in our lovely ingredients.
7 to 8 slices of the apple.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Ooh. We do not want to overpowering cinnamon, so we're just going to use half.
1
star anise and 3 cloves. 1, 2 and 3.
Alright, now we're gonna use a couple of our favorite long ones. You wanna help me use one?
Make sure you take the seed out before
Yeah,
you
you
put
do
them.
not want the seed in there.
Done?
Alright. Now,
Make sure you screw the cap on tightly and leave a bit of air space for the gas. We'll see you in 48 hours. Goodbye.
yep, baby.
Hello guys. It's been 50 hours and our coffee is ready. So
Cheers.
That's amazing. That's actually quite nice. Now we're ready.
Wait, what?
What do you mean?
No!
Now we're ready.
Oh crap, we messed up.
What? We do not want an overpowering cinnamon, so we are just gonna use that.
Wait.
Half of it.
No, I don't.
Welcome to
Another video of
the Plant-Based Bros.
This video is all about
Let's see, eh?